My name is Richard Pfluger, and this is my project about myself, a little introduction. I was born in St. Louis, Missouri. However, ever since I was 1 year old, I have lived in Portland, Oregon, and have loved it ever since. The past 2 summers, I have worked at Nike, specifically in their in-house manufacturing division, which is something that really interests me because it really pertains to my major of business administration with concentrations in operations and supply chain management and international business. My dream job is being a supply chain analyst for Nike, somewhere in their supply chain and transportation and logistics area. To help me achieve this goal within the next 5 years, I am interning at Boeing this coming summer, which I hope will lead to a job which will give me the practical experience working for a major corporation and the necessities and what I need to learn. My best characteristic is definitely my motivation. I am extremely motivated for what I want to do in life. However, my worst characteristic is definitely that I get very anxious, especially with things that really shouldn't stress me out. My favorite motivational quote is by Steve Jobs. Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs in the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules, and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them, but the only thing you can't do is ignore them because they change things. They push the human race forward, and while some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think that they can change the world are the ones who do. My favorite book about my career is Failing Forward by John C. Maxwell, because it really puts things into perspective that failure is good and really helps us advance in our careers. One really interesting thing about me is I love going to concerts and festivals. I've been to a few dozen the past couple of years and I've really enjoyed it. And I'm looking forward to see what else there comes out here in Spokane. So that's a little about myself. I hope you learned a little bit more, and I look forward to hearing from all of you and learning about yourselves. Thank you.